Hello everyone, welcome to Aldo. On today's sewing tutorial is going to be very special just because I am making a different type of sewing tutorial. I am going to make a memory bear. This memory bear is going to be for a very special girl in the Philippines. Her mother passed away, who was my friend back in the Philippines, and this girl is only probably 6 years old. I haven't met the little girl yet. I am going to when I go there next month. That's why I'm doing this tutorial, just because I want to make her something special and she will feel close to her mother all the time. Memory bear are made out of old clothing from a loved one or families or friends that passed away, but I don't have access to that, so my idea was I got me a bear from the store. As you can see, it looks super cute and it has angel wings. And yeah, and it also have this lace detail on the neckline. I particularly pick out this one just because it is big enough so I can put something right on the front here. This is where I'm going to do the DIY that I am going to show you. But before we get started, if you are new here, hello, my name is Aldo and I make DIY, sewing, and style videos. So if you like those type of videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Thursday at 9 o'clock in the morning Central Time. Also, don't forget to hit the notification so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started.
So the first thing I did was pick out an image and I'm going to resize it. I just want it to be big enough that it will fit on the front of the teddy bear. So it's going to be around 3 by 2 inches. Now it's time to print it out, and here I am on my printer setting and I'm just changing the layout, and be sure to flip the image horizontally, and I'm going to print it on a paper transfer. Be sure to kind of test out your printer because some printer will print differently. Mine will just print on the top. Some printer will print on the underside, or it just kind of turn the paper. So make sure you test that out. And I am using an inkjet printer as well. And then I'm just going to transfer it on a white piece of fabric. As you can see, I just have a small piece here that I cut off from an old shirt. I also cut out the picture. I gave it about 1/4 of an inch allowances on all four sides. And I'm just going to press it on the fabric. I am actually just following the instruction on the paper transfer. And by the way, I have a wooden board under the fabric so it will not ruin my cutting mat. I am pressing it for about a minute and I'm going to let it cool down before I peel it off. Now that it is cooled down, I'm going to carefully peel off the paper backing, and then I will place a parchment paper on top of the image and I'm going to press it one more time just to seal the image on the fabric. And then I will let it cool down for a bit, and then I'm going to peel off the parchment paper carefully. I am going to cut it out. I'm adding about 1/2 inch seam allowances on all four sides. Then I'm just going to trim off the top because it was a little too long for the front of the bear. So I'm just going to fold all the raw edges under. And then I will hand stitch it on the front of the bear. So I'm just going to do a running stitch on the three sides. I'm going to leave the top open so it will be a pocket that can be used to put treasure, or if you want to put like a message, you can put it in there as well. And if you want to add some sort of decorative trims along the edges of the picture, you can do that as well. I just didn't have something on hand that I can put there.
This is the closer look of the picture. So that's it, you guys, and I hope you like this simple tutorial that I showed you. I hope this is inspiring, and yes, I just don't know how to close this tutorial just because I'm a little emotional at the moment. But anyway, Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Thursday at 9 o'clock in the morning Central Time. And don't forget to hit the notification so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. If you want to see more sewing tutorials, I have over 200 sewing tutorials that are available here on my channel. I'm going to leave it right here. I will see you next week. Bye!